Can't seem to figure out what sizes you need for your hotel bed? You've got too much work already? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Visit our website at hotelbazaar.com. On the upper right corner of the screen, click on the linen button. Log in with your proper credentials. On the left, we have a list of bed and pillow accessories. Click the checkbox of the product that you want. And on the right, the size of your bed and pillow. Next steps, you can modify each of your selection by choosing the color, thread count, and fabric design. Each change will narrow down the availability of the product. You can now review the results and save in your account, or download it in either Excel or PDF. You have done it, using Linen Calculator. Your flat sheet and pillowcase fit perfectly, a comfort and luxury to the sight and touch. Shop now, and make your life more easier.